Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to try fixing this old Weed-Wacker that's been sitting at the garage for a long time, hasn't been used, and I don't know, maybe it's going to be somewhat interesting video. In the last video we did fix the pressure washer, the $45 pressure washer. So maybe in this video we're gonna fix the Weed-Wacker and hopefully we're gonna get it running. So I don't even know what brand this is, to be honest. It literally just says Weed-Wacker. It's a 15-inch. I believe 15-inch is the diameter of the cutting, because we do have the shield. So I believe maybe this is the 15 millimeters, or the 15 inches. I think what they're talking about, yeah. And the 20cc, I believe, is a 20cc engine, and gas line trimmer, and nothing really much more about the Weed-Wacker. There's no actual brand. Maybe there's anything over here. I highly doubt it. Yeah, nothing seems to be there. And it's probably some like made in China, but hopefully we can get it running, and hopefully it's gonna start working again, because it hasn't been running in at least 7 years, because that's how long we're living here. So let's get to work. Let's start taking it apart and seeing if it even has spark, or I don't think it's just gas, because I tried spraying carb cleaner in this, and it would like crank over and it would kind of start, but then it would die right away. And you cannot get it constantly running, so maybe the carburetor is dirty. Also, those lines are all kinked. The one over here is all kinked, so we're going to try to see what's going on with that. Okay, let's get to work, and hopefully by the end of this video, this Weed-Wacker is running like brand new. Alright guys, so as you saw, I took everything apart, or not everything obviously, but I took the cover off, the gas tank, the air cleaner box, as well as the carburetor. And the engine looks actually pretty clean, doesn't look beat up, so I don't think it was used that often. And now that I took off the spark plug as well, we can just easily pull it on it. And you can see that the engine is obviously not locked up and spins all flirtily. It's all free, okay. And now I can start cleaning it up. I'm gonna clean up the spark plug. I don't have a new spark plug, but actually the spark plug looks quite decent. It's just kind of dirty, but it doesn't look all beat up. So I'm going to use some sandpaper and sand it a little bit and put it back in there. We're gonna also see if it got spark or no. So what we can do is just connect the spark plug through there, and let's see if I spin it. Yes. Okay. So I don't know how well you can see it, but the spark plug does give a spark. It's a very tiny spark. So I'm gonna try cleaning it up to give it more spark. But I don't know if you can, probably not able to see it on a camera, but it was sparkling the whole time. So we're good on this. We know it gets spark. And since this is a 2-stroke engine, all we really need spark, air, and fuel. So let's get to work. Let's start cleaning more, and hopefully we get it running. Alright guys, so I couldn't figure out why it wasn't pumping gas. It turned out the hoses was flipped around the wrong way. Now that I flipped them the other way, it pumped gas. And I'm trying to start it up, but it doesn't want to start. So let's try it a couple more times. Alright, so it seems like it started to run. Smoking a little bit from the carburetor. Let's set it up back here. So obviously this is a two-stroke. I didn't know how hard this is going to be to start it. As you guys can see, I still have to regulate the carburetor a little bit. But I need to put oil. I need to put oil in this thing because I just put pure gas so it starts better. But now that we got it running, I don't want the engine to, you know, seize or anything. So I'm going to put some mixel, so some oil. I have this two-stroke oil that I got from my buddy a long time ago. This Valvoline oil seems to work really well. I use it on like a piston bikes and basically anything else that is two-stroke. So I'm gonna mix it up a little bit in here, and we're gonna try to start it again. Alright guys, so this is basically it. I think we are done with this project. So I clean it up a little bit. This is mostly rust, so there's some rust and dirt on it. I didn't want to like mess it up, so I don't really care. This is the bigger part. This is just, you know, this is gonna get messed up and dirty really quickly. I just had a lot of dead grass over there, so that's why I did it this way. But I don't know, I like it. I think it looks really clean. Well, not really clean, but it looks much better. I pre-mixed the oil too, so engine hopefully by now it's getting, I started a couple more times just to get the circulation through. So I hope it's getting fuel with the oil right now. I might have put a little bit too much oil, but it's not gonna hurt it, so all good. I'm gonna just start it one more time for you so you see it's running still and everything is fine. Alright, so all we have to do, well obviously it's all warm up right now, so just press the throttle. Alright, so as you guys saw, the saw is running. I'm happy with it, or the saw, sorry, the Weed-Wacker is running. I'm happy with it. Doesn't look bad. The professional trash can workbench hold up pretty well. And even though there's some like off-brand one, it's still working, so still a gasser engine. It starts right up. I will try starting it tomorrow to see how well it's running, or how well it's gonna cold start. But for now I'm really satisfied. Like when it's warm, it's first pull and starts right up. So I think I have some more of the spool or whatever you call this little string, so I might replace that too. But it's raining right now and I don't really need it. I just wanted to get it running, so just in case I need it, I can use it. But I think this is going to be it for this video, guys. So if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, stay tuned. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. Do you think it was worth fixing it? Because it was basically free Weed-Wacker, and I didn't spend really no money fixing it up. All I did is I cleaned everything up. I might at some point replace that little hose over there, because when you overfill it, when you over pump the carburetor, the little hose tends to it basically shoots some gas out of it, and it's kind of unsafe. You don't want to have a dripping gas on the hot engine. But besides that, everything is in working shape. So let me know, guys, in the comment what you think. Was it worth even fixing it? And stay tuned and see you next time.